Hashem Meilecho, Hashem Meilecho venoshuvo, Chadish Yomeinu Yomeinu kekeder.
I think until now, in the past few years, there's been a lot of Jewish content, but I don't think anyone stepped it up to the amount that Vayimayim did, is compacting the most powerful, inspirational stories and Torah and experience from the top people that I can get on my show, and they're showcasing how important it is to live life with proper eyes. And the idea is great, but how they do it, the fact that they could get so many people that they're looking at their phone for the news and that's it, but they're getting people who, I have like massive AD, I can never focus, with Vayimayim video, I could watch it from beginning to end and walk away with something substantial. I know my friends that they literally, some of them, they never had a filter on the phone. Some of them dropped their smartphone to get just a flip phone because of Vayimayim.